Hello, Noble Knitter. It's Nancy Queen. And have you ever gotten lost in your knitting? You set it down for a day or two, and go to pick it up again, and you have no idea what row you're on, what you're supposed to be doing? Well, this is my foolproof method for never having that happen again. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the bell to get notified every time I post. I write it down on a piece of scrap paper. So what I do is our repeats are 1 through 4, so I number the page 1 through 4 over and over and over. And then I go and write what's on that row. So here's a yarn over, knit 2 together, knit row, then knit 2 together, yarn over, then a knit row, and I just keep repeating that for each repeat of 1 through 4. Now I've got the whole pattern for the lace written out row by row. And when I finish a row, I just check it off and keep going. And I only check it off when the row is completely finished. That way, if I go back to my project a couple days, a month, a year later, and I look at this piece of paper that's attached to the pattern, I always clip it to the pattern, I'll know exactly where I am. This video is part of my Cowl Knitting Bootcamp. If you've enjoyed this video and you want to learn more, check out my Cowl Knitting Bootcamp link in the description below, and you'll learn how to make 5 beautiful cowls using all different techniques.